Well, folks, we're here at the opening of Flout's brand new shop in the heart of the city centre here in Cathedral Quarter. The popular pizza place first opened in 2021 in East Belfast, subsequently going viral for its variety of pizzas from Detroit, New York and Sicilian-style pies, going on to feature in the likes of The Times, The New York Times and Condé Nast as one of the best places to eat in Northern Ireland. As you can see, a queue is already forming behind me, so let's join it and see if it's worth the hype. Okay lads, so after 40 minutes in the queue, we have got the goods. We have 10 slices of pizza here, all different varieties, so let's crack them open and see what they're like. This is actually quite a precarious position to be in right now. You could probably see better than I can what we've got in here, but we have some deep dish Detroit style pizzas. As you can see, we have a smorgasbord of pizza in here. So what have we got here? We have tie-dye, we have a bit of a twist on a Hawaiian here with chili on it, and classic cheese. Most of these are priced at £4 because they come under cheese, but pepperoni is priced at $5.50. Okay, for our first taste test, we've gone for a standard classic. Here we have the pepperoni. It looks good. Let's see if it tastes good. This is delicious. Wouldn't expect anything less from Flout, given their track record. It's a thin crust. The dough is great, cheese is great. That pepperoni has a really good spice to it. Just excellent pepperoni pizza. Okay, next up we have one of Flout's lovely deep dish pizzas. As you can see down the bottom here, the base is focaccia and the top is this lovely mix of potato and cheese and loveliness. So let's give it a go. That doesn't taste the way you expect it to. Like, I thought the overwhelming flavour texture there would be the potato, but it is actually the cheese underneath. And then you get this real hit of like this garlic oil on top. And all the flavours just work together. Again, fantastic crunch from the focaccia underneath. That is another excellent slice of pizza. So, Flout's new spot in Cathedral Quarter, was it worth queuing for? I think so. Everything in the shop is made fresh to order on the day, so everything's as it should be. The flavours, the textures, everything's spot on, but then you'd expect that from Flout, which has gained a reputation for flouting the expectations of what a normal pizza should be. And I would 100% recommend it if you find yourself at a loss for lunch or dinner. Give it a try.